do not attract what you want. You attract who you are. So be that version of yourself who would be having all the things that he or she wants. Hello my loves, Muskan this side. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to this channel, I want to let you know that on this channel we talk about law of attraction, manifestation, self-development, growth, productivity and so much more, and I want to welcome you all. Today's video is all about why are you finding manifestation to be hard? What is it that I did so as to make the entire universal energies work for me? Or what is it that you're not understanding about law of attraction, or why is the law of attraction not working for you? Let's start here. There were certain step of rules which I need to understand first so as to make the law of attraction first. I had to understand and I had to learn about the foundation on which the entire universe works. It's like अगर आपको कोई घर बनाना है तो आपको उस घर की नींव मजबूत करनी पड़ेगी, तभी आपका घर स्ट्रांग होगा. अगर उस घर की नींव ही मजबूत नहीं होगी, आपका घर गिर जाएगा. That is what it is about law of attraction. I had to understand that नींव or the foundation in depth so that I could make the energies work for me. And today in this video, I'm going to discuss the foundations with you all. So law of attraction is just like law of gravity. I mean, you cannot wake up one day and decide that law of gravity is not working for me. Similarly, you cannot just say that law of attraction is not working for you, because law of attraction is a universal phenomena. It works 24/7 even when you are sleeping. This is a vibrational universe, and for you to get the things that you want, you have to vibrate on a higher frequency. You have to be in that wish fulfilled state of yours. You have to be happy. You have to try, at least you have to try to be happy. And the reason you're finding manifestation to be hard, or the reason why things are not working out for you, is because you are constantly reaffirming this negative sentence again and again that things are not working out for me. I'm not able to manifest that job. I'm not able to manifest the money. The law of attraction simply hits me. I mean, no, this is not the case. You are simply vibrating at a low frequency. You are simply vibrating from a place where the emotions are sadness, somewhat the emotions is gussa as well, anger as well, because you are frustrating that the things are not happening for me, and all these emotions, the sadness, the anger, the frustration, these are low vibrational emotions. And when you are vibrating from a low vibrational state, I mean, come on, you literally cannot expect the things to work for you, right? Allow the universe to work for you, and you have to work in co-creation with the universe. Each one of us have their own challenges and struggles in life, but I want you to accept those challenges and do not think about those challenges again and again and again, because whenever you are thinking about those challenges again and again, you are asking the universe to give you more of those challenges. Take a real life example. If you become negative, if a negative thought comes into your mind and if you're thinking about it, you will, in the next 5 seconds, you will find yourself to be stuck in the vicious cycle of, thinking negative again and again and again. It's because whatever we focus on expands. You do not have to focus on the bad things. You have to focus on the good things so that they'll grow. What I do is I am just conscious of what is it that I'm thinking, and I want you to do the same. I want you to think consciously, where you are aware of what it is that you're thinking about, and now think only the good things, think only the positive. Now even I have my own lot of struggles, so to say. It's an exam which I want to clear. Now I can either do two things. I can either think about the exam and I can worry and stress about the outcome. I can have that anxiety and panic attacks as to what's going to happen, if I'll be able to pass the exam or not. Or I could bring my attention from there to here in this present moment, and I am simply going to ask questions to myself. Will worrying about the exam giving me any good right now here in the present moment? If the answer is no, I am just not going to think about it. I'm going to find alternate ways to make me feel better. What is the alternate way to not worry about the exam? Is to actually go and study. Because when I'll study, it'll give me confidence that I will be able to pass, and definitely I'm going to perform better. Right? So I want you to live in the present moment. Whatever it is that is out there which is giving you all sort of anxiety and stress, bring your attention from there to here in this present moment, and then question yourself, what is worrying actually doing to you? Is it solving any problem? And always remember this one thing, that you do not attract what you want, you attract who you are. I'm going to repeat it again. You do not attract what you want. You attract who you are. So be that version of yourself who would be having all the things that he or she wants. If you want something, be that future version of the person who would be having everything that it is that you want. Basically, we are tricking our minds into believing something which is yet not true. And that is completely alright, because as I always say, your subconscious mind do not know the difference between what is true and what is not true. Trick it. Now you can, whenever you're getting stressed, you can do these breath works, and you can do these meditations, guided meditations, exercises which can help you feel better, because that always works. Now I get these questions from people a lot of times, that what will happen if we do these silly practices. So I mean, you are already living your worst case scenario. You are already having all sort of struggles and challenges in your life. So if you have nothing to lose, why don't give it a shot? And always remember, whatever it is that you are seeing here in your 3D reality, whatever it is, the bed, the pen, the chair, the copy, the tripod, the phone, everything started with a thought in a person's mind who actually made it. It all started with a visual coming in the mind of people, what it is that they want, how the machine is going to work, or how the machine is going to look. Everything started with a thought. So your thoughts are powerful. Stop being a victim to your situations, because you are a powerful creator. You could literally shift, bend, change realities. And if you still get those floods of negative thoughts, I have this video right over here. You can watch this and you could literally know how to actually be positive, how to actually vibrate on a higher frequency, and how to stay positive every time. You could watch this in this video, which go watch it right now.